Planning a layover in Hong Kong? Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for HKG. Getting around from HKG is easy. The Airport Express takes you to the city in 24 minutes for about $15, or grab a rideshare for about $40 to $50 in 25 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours for your Hong Kong airport layover, stay at the airport and make the most of HKG's amenities. Start by clearing customs, then head to a pay-per-use lounge to relax with complimentary food and drinks. Next, grab a quick bite at Ajisen Ramen for authentic noodles, then explore the unique archaeological museum for a taste of local culture. Finish with some duty-free shopping before heading to your gate. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore during your Hong Kong layover. After clearing customs, hop on the Airport Express to Hong Kong Station. Then head straight to the IFC Mall rooftop for incredible harbor views. Next, experience the iconic Star Ferry Harbor crossing for unbeatable skyline photos. Grab legendary dim sum at Tim Ho Wan for a Michelin-starred meal, then browse IFC Mall before taking the Airport Express back to catch your flight. 16 hours? That's a full day in Hong Kong. After customs, take the Airport Express into the city and start at the IFC Mall rooftop for those iconic views. Then ride the world-famous Star Ferry across the harbor. Next, experience the mid-levels escalator, the world's longest outdoor covered escalator system. Grab lunch at Yacht Lock for their legendary roast goose, then explore more of Central. For dinner, hit Max Noodle for authentic wonton noodles. Do some serious shopping at IFC Mall, then take the Airport Express back with plenty of time to spare. Budget breakdown. 4 hours costs about $40 staying at the airport. 8 hours runs around $50 with city exploration. And the full 16-hour day comes to about $75. A few tips for your layover at Hong Kong Airport. First, use ATMs instead of currency exchange counters for better rates. Second, book lounge access in advance to save money. And third, the 6-hour layover Hong Kong minimum gives you comfortable city time without rushing. Planning a Hong Kong layover? Full guide at yopki.com, link below.